Okay, so in exercise 1, we're going to be exploring the support tree. What is that? We're going to be drawing a tree and exploring the kinds of support that we have received in our lives, and those will be the roots of this tree, and the way that we have then circulated that support into the world through branching out and growing towards new ways of being supportive towards others. This is the first exercise that we're going to do together on self-support, and it's called the support tree. The first thing I would like you to do is bring your attention to your breathing, bring your awareness to your breathing, gently breathing in through the nose and softly exhaling through the mouth. Taking a few deep breaths to calm and relax yourself. When you feel ready, I'd like you to pick up your piece of charcoal or a pencil or whatever it is and draw a tree in the center of your page. It can be as simple or as complex as you like. The only thing which you need to be sure is included is a trunk in the center, roots at the bottom, and beautiful, strong branches on top. Remember, it can be as simple as you like. This is not about producing a work which you think would look good in a gallery or something like that. This is about creating something which speaks to you, who you are, and how you're feeling right now. Once you've created your tree with strong branches and deep roots, I'd like you to spend a moment with the drawing that you've made, looking at it, and perhaps closing your eyes to think about all of the people, times and places where you have experienced support in your past. Thinking about when you were a child, when you were a teenager, right up until yesterday. All of the people who have provided support in your life, the places where you have felt held, safe and supported, and the memories that come to mind when I say the word support. And when those names, images, memories come into your head, write them down. Those are the roots of support in your life. One thing which definitely comes in my mind is the place where I grew up. And that's a place where I receive a lot of support from as I think about my childhood. Now, for some other people, it might be a particular person or a particular place or even a particular time in their lives where they felt that support. Those are all valuable answers. There's no wrong way to do this exercise. Your roots are all of the places or all of the people who still provide support in your life now. And once you've completed those roots, turn up to the branches and think about all of the ways that you provide support to others. Just like the tree grows strong with its roots in the ground, it extends branches which provide shade and fruit to all of the people around it. So we're going to now think about who are the people that I have supported? In what ways have I provided support to others? Focusing on our breathing, going inward, and letting those memories, those thoughts, those feelings come up.